Launched in October 2015, the performance version has been serving as the ultimate expression of the RS6 Avant with 597 horsepower, 445 kilowatts, coming from the biturbo 4.0-liter V8. But as of today, there's a new king courtesy of Audi in association with the tuners at ABT Sports line. Meet the new Nogaro edition, a special version of Ingolstadt's high-performance wagon strictly limited to 150 vehicles. Paying homage to the iconic RS2 launched in 1994 serving as Audi's first ever RS model, the new special edition gets its name from the Nogaro blue hue paint, which has been combined with an assortment of glossy black accents. It sits on black 21-inch wheels with fat 285/30 tires and has received an RS titanium exhaust system making the most out of the V8 powerhouse. Speaking of which, ABT and Audi have worked hand-in-hand to bump output of the TFSI engine to an astounding 695 horsepower, 519 kilowatts. In the process, the engineers also managed to increase torque from the series 516 pound-feet, 700 Newton-meters, to a mountain-moving 649 pounds-to-foot, 880 Newton-meters. Thanks to the newly gained force, the RS6 Avant Performance Nogaro Edition can hit 62 miles per hour, 100 kilometers per hour, from a standstill in just 3.7 seconds en route to a respectable top speed of 199 miles per hour, 320 kilometers per hour, if you go for the optional Dynamic Package Plus. As standard, the supercar disguised as a big wagon is electronically capped at 155 miles per hour, 250 kilometers per hour.